Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the battery percentage not appearing next to the battery icon. It is a very simple method that does not require any programs. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. After that, go to the battery, and here you will find the battery percentage. Click on it, and here you will find it hidden. Choose whether you want to show the battery percentage next to the battery or inside the battery. If your phone settings are not my phone settings, it is okay. Go back, then go to the settings search engine and write the battery percentage. It will appear to you. Click on it. After that, you activate it. From here, this was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, or any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.